Hey, you want to know my secret to dropping a few pounds and crowding in as much vegetables as I can into a meal? Stay tuned. My secret to dropping a few pounds when I need to or having a veggie-packed meal on hand is soup. So today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to make my veggie soup. It's really any veggie that you want. I use it to clean out my fridge of veggies that are almost about to go bad. So you can use whatever you want. These are some suggestions I'll show you in a minute. I don't use tomatoes in my soup. You can put a can of tomatoes if you want, but tomatoes are tough on my tummy. If you want to know how I know that, I'll link the video up here to my Viome gut health results. All right, are you ready to make some soup? Let's get started. This is everything that you need. You'll need 6 cups of chicken broth. You'll need some extra virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. You'll need 3 cloves of garlic. You'll need a large onion. You'll also need, for the veggies, you'll need 2 carrots. And veggies are optional. You can add whatever you want. 3 stalks of celery. I like to add some cut frozen green beans and some frozen corn. And I also use this soup to clean out my fridge. So today I had a zucchini and a squash available, and I had some leftover mushrooms, so I'm going to add that. For seasonings, I use an Italian herb blend and 2 bay leaves, some salt, and some pepper. And then at the end, I put some Italian parsley or regular parsley and cilantro. Now you just have to cut up everything. The first is the onion. Next is the garlic, all minced. Now let's peel and dice the carrots. All done. Now it's time for the celery. All done. Now I'm going to cut up my zucchini and my squash. All cut up. Last bit of cutting for a while are my mushrooms. All done. Get a big stock pot hot. The first thing I add are the onions. And I let those cook just a little bit. Once those have gotten a little soft, I add the celery and the carrots. Just let those cook till they get a little soft. Next, I add the garlic, zucchini and squash, and then the mushrooms. And just give them a quick stir. This is when I add a little bit of salt. Be careful you don't add too much. You can season later. And some pepper. And a little bit of Italian blend. Once those have cooked for just a few minutes, I add my chicken stock. And depending on how many vegetables you had left over, it's going to depend on how much stock you need. You want enough stock to overcover all of your veggies. Once that's warmed up, this is when I add the frozen veggies. You may need to add more stock. Then I just add 2 bay leaves. Then I just cover it up and let it come up to a full boil. Once it's come to a full boil, reduce the heat and let simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the soup is cooking, go ahead and dice up some cilantro and parsley. I like to cut up just enough for the number of servings I'm having and add it right before I eat. It just really makes the soup bright. There you go. Before you serve it, make sure you give it a taste to see if it needs any more seasoning. When you're ready for a healthy, hearty meal, ladle it into a bowl, sprinkle it with some of your herbs. You can add chicken, you can add turkey meatballs, you can add some spinach or parsley, whatever you want. Enjoy. Oh, it smells so good. Today I added some frozen turkey meatballs that I had in the freezer, and then I shaved some Parmesan on the top if you're doing dairy. This is a perfect way to have a veggie-packed meal. Your body is just gonna thank you and love you, and so will your taste buds. If you like this video, or if you try this video, let me know what veggies you add. Give me a thumbs up too, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need any help, make sure you leave me a comment below. I'm always looking for suggestions on what videos to make next. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.